Tutorial Lab. Presents. Hello guys. In this video I want to show you another way to make money online on Fiverr. This time without any investment. For this you gonna need Fiverr seller account. In previous video I show you how to make that account. You can see that video link in description down below, so check it out. This time, you can use our old friend Google and its great platform, Google Translate. It's completely free to use. At first let's visit fiverr.com. As you can see, Translate is one of the most popular service on Fiverr. So you can make your gig about translating. Let's see prices for that offer. As you can see there is so many kind of prices. And just like before, lowest price is $5. Now let's see Google Translate platform. Here you can translate some part of text or whole document. You can choose which is better for you. There is so many languages which you can use. Let's open our text file and copy some of it. Now go to translate page, paste it, and that's all. Take your translated text. Keep doing this until you translate whole document. Or press documents button, then browse you text file from your computer. Then click translate. Now click Ctrl+A on your keyboard, copy whole translated text, and here you go. This is so easy way to make money online just like previous version. And also you don't need to be linguist to do that. This is also a unskilled way to making money. Just simple Google Translate platform making all job for you. You just have to take it. And of course video is not sponsored. Now let's use a little math. Let's think that you get 5, 10, 15, or 20 offer from clients. You will make 25, 50, 75, or $100 from that. All you have to do is copy and paste. This is nice amount of money just for copying and pasting. Hope you like this video. If you like, hit that like button. If you don't, comment down below why you didn't like that video so I can improve quality of my videos. Thanks for watching. Good luck and peace.